The fear of SMS spam haunts an e-commerce store owner, but with Omnisend's email and SMS marketing platform, that fear is reduced to a mere whisper in the wind. Watch in terror or excitement as this story unfolds in the Ghost of SMS Spam.
It's spam. It's spam. SMS is spam. If you send it, they'll unsubscribe. Tell your friends you're spam. They call the cops. They'll tell your mommy, your grandmother. You lose your business. Shame! Shame! Shame!
No, it's not spam. In fact, 54% of customers would love to get promotional texts from brands like yours. There's no need to be scared of SMS.